So this is going to be a short video today, but appreciate all the gifts. Thank you, Susan and Kelly. I appreciate it. Thank you. And we'll talk to you later. All right, we got our coils delivered. We gotta wiggle our way out of here now. We're gonna pull up in that little alleyway there so I can move the trailer over so we can get turned around. It's going to be a tight squeeze here. Got it. So we got about 10 miles over to Louisville. I always set Google Maps. That way, I know if traffic backed up or something.
A long coat walking on a New York street. A pack of crushed cigarettes that fell to her feet. Well, ain't it odd how some people meet? But that's the truth. Two pictures buried in a guitar case, underneath the music sheets all over the place. I caught a glimpse of the sweetest girl's face I ever knew, and how many souls and times that I've told of places that had like to be, and how many days when I could have stayed instead of just getting up to leave. And given we make time, I'll meet you down the line. And all the days from now to then, if they never seem to come or to go, will find me in your memories that keep you from getting so low. And given we make time, I'll meet you down the line. down the line. We'll meet up down the line. Down the line.
All right, we made it over here to Mercertown. We're parked in what they call the driver's lot. I parked down here in the corner because it's it doesn't look like it, but it's a little leveler here. Plus, I got this nice little area right here to let Bailey stretch her legs. So I filled up my water tank, and I'm gonna get my power cord out now and hook up to the power. Good afternoon. It's Sunday afternoon after Thanksgiving. It's the Sunday after Thanksgiving. I went and picked up a load this morning. Picked up some more cable reels. And they're delivering to... How do you pronounce the name of that place? Hang on a second. They're delivering it to Thornville, Indiana. We're in Whitestown, Indiana right now at the TA truck stop, which is about 20 miles from where we gotta deliver. We're in the reserved parking. Bailey was growling at that truck over there. There's a dog in there. I use my fuel rewards points at the TA. I usually stop here. Somebody left a comment. Why do I use GPS so much? And I use Google Maps a lot, and I use it on the traffic to see what's going on with the traffic. Here, hang on a second. Hopefully it'll come up. So we loaded down in Hallsville, which is over here, right in this area here. And I could have gone all the way back over to Louisville, come back up 65 through Indianapolis, but I was worried about traffic on 65, so I came over, went over to 69, came up 69, and you see that little bit of red right there? So traffic, that's why I use Google Maps, so it shows the traffic. So we got a lot of holiday traffic still, 4th of July traffic. So I got off on 39 and cut up through here. There's TA truck stop right there. So I come up there, and then I got on 70 in Indianapolis. And this is where we are right now. We're in Whitestown. We're at the TA truck stop. See the big blue line? That's where we got to go tomorrow. But look at 65. See, it's messed up right there. There's actually a couple truck stops that are closer, but there's traffic right there. And then you pan out and you see all the orange and red and yellow and everything right there. Look at that up there by Lafayette. Look at that. That's all traffic. That's why I use Google Maps. You see all the red and orange right around there. That's why I use the Google Maps, so I can see what's going on with the traffic. I've said this before, I don't know, it's a couple years ago. There's a big difference between like rush hour traffic, weekend traffic, and holiday traffic. Rush hour traffic, most everybody knows where they're going. They're just trying to get to work. It's just a lot of people going to the same place. Weekend traffic, people aren't paying attention to what they're doing. They're in a hurry to go wherever they want to go for the weekend. They're in a hurry to get there, and they're in a hurry to get back. Holiday traffic, like Thanksgiving, 4th of July, Christmas, coming up on Christmas, New Year's, all of that. Holiday traffic, you get a lot of people on the road that aren't used to being on the interstate. And you get people, they're in a hurry. And sometimes, you'll see a whole family packed into the SUV, bunch of bikes strapped on the back with stuff on the top, just driving recklessly on the road. So it can be frustrating. I really didn't want to drive today, but the agent called me, says, "Hey, can you pick that up on Sunday?" And they load it 24 hours a day over there, 7 days a week. He said, "Can you pick it up on Sunday, deliver it Monday morning?" Because it was actually supposed to load last Friday, but the guy that was supposed to do it couldn't do it. So anyway, that's me complaining about traffic. All right, hang on a second. So while I was at Mercer, I checked my mail. I got a package. Somebody sent me a package. I got another thing in here. Hang on a second. Somebody also sent me a card. I don't want to show their address. So I'm going to open that. And open this big box. Somebody had it mailed to Mercer. Let's see here. This is my knife from a couple years ago. The Illinois trooper left that knife for me. I'll be a nice guy, pronounce it correctly instead of calling it Illinois. Well, let's see what this thing is here. Hang on a second. And this is from Last Name Kelly. This is pretty cool. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Oh. All right, I got it open here. Oh wow, that's hand drawn. It's a picture of Bailey. Bailey, see the picture? See the picture? That is pretty cool. I really like that. That's pretty cool. Let's see, there's a card in here. Hang on a second. Let's see, Dan, I hope this brightens your day. Thank you for your many adventures you have taken with us. I hope you and Teresa enjoy this picture. By the way, it's a colored pencil Bailey, a trucker's companion, or Dan's companion. Cindy Kelly. Cindy Kelly. That is really cool. I really like that. That's cool. Thank you. Thank you. That is really nice. All right, somebody sent me a card. Hi, Dan, your videos got me through COVID. Thank you. My mom and I both watch, and we're now bona fide armchair truck drivers. We check the trucks on the freeway to make sure their securement is up to SuperTruckerDan standards. That's cute. Have a nice breakfast on us. Susan in LA. Thank you very much. I appreciate that, Susan. I will, she sent me a little gift. I will take Teresa out for breakfast when I get home. I appreciate that. Thank you. So anyway, all right. Well, thank you for the gifts. That's pretty cool. I'll see if I can get a picture of me and Bailey and Susan. And Susan, thank you very much for the card. I appreciate that. That's really nice. All right. The windows are fogging up in here. It's raining outside. It's kind of nasty. But we're going to start next week. We're going to deliver these cable reels tomorrow. And then we're going to run back down near Terre Haute. I think that's where we're going. Pick up another load. And it's going over by St. Louis. So this is going to be a short video today. But appreciate all the gifts. Thank you, Susan and Kelly. I appreciate it. Thank you. And we'll talk to you later.